Welcome back to the Restless Recluse. Today I will be setting up the mounts on the wr250r for my saddlebags and having a good look at how those saddlebags sit once they're mounted. Because I'm traveling solo, I don't need the rear passenger foot pegs. So I will be removing these and mounting the retaining clips for the Mosko Moto bags right there in their place. That eliminates both the weight of the foot pegs and cleans up the bike a little bit more and keeps things simple. That ain't gonna work. And a big heavy piece of steel. The bags I've chosen for this trip are the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 bags, and in another video I will go into nauseating detail on why I chose those over many of the other options available. But for right now we will try mounting them and see how they look. Well, here we are with the Mosko Reckless 80 bags, fully mounted with the WR, as per the mounting instructions from Mosko Moto. As you can see, there's a little bit of play here that I can tighten up as once the bikes are fully loaded with the proper kit. There's a little bit of tail rack left over. I'll do a zoom around, and now you can see how I sit on the bike in relation to the bags. I found when I was researching bags that it was quite challenging to find footage of these bags mounted on a wr250r, and particularly in relation to the driver. So I'll just grab the camera and you can have a closer look. Let me get my damn shadow out of the way. Here you can see how the three straps that hold the bags in place forward and aft are mounted, and then the saddlebags themselves, and a close-up of how they attach to that new foot peg strap. There's a bit of a gap here, which I assume will smooth out as wear and tear happens. And next up, I will mount the Mosko tank bag. This is the Mosko Nomad tank bag. Lots of features I will go into in a different video. And now I'm just going to set it up so it sits in there. Well, here you can see the Mosko Nomad tank bag in place. It doesn't leave a lot of room, but fortunately, it kind of snugs me in there nice and comfy with a little bit of wiggle room still. And I can get in and out with relative ease. Get a closer look at it. You can see the keeper strap goes around here, then there's retention here. I have a friend with an industrial sewing machine, so we'll snip off some of the surplus on these so I don't have straps blowing in the wind. And there we have it. Bit of a walk around view for you. And here endeth the lesson. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned, and I will go into detail on why I chose these particular bags and the features they're in another video. Until then, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.